Hello there, soul. How are you doing? I hope you're fine. I today were in a lightning and thunderstorm. It's literally thunder outside, and I'm in France. And I was walking in the streets, and suddenly I hear this thunder. And to the left of me, I see the sign 144. Just, just when the thunder struck. And it's just a sign that we have to be true to our paths. We have to be true to our calling and our purpose in life. If we know we have a calling and it's calling us, and we have been uncertain about how to pursue this calling or go after our knowing, then this is just another sign. Recently I had a dream, and it was like a red pill and a blue pill dream. And the angels came to me and they were telling me, you can go this path or this path. The choice is yours. But this one has a much bigger reward than this one. So this is just me telling you how I felt this calling though. And I think it was just a magical little dream. Not little, but big, because everything matters, right? Oh, she came out again. This is called Seer. It's a card saying see beyond your current situation. And this is a arrow. Surround yourself with protective energy. Yeah. All right. So, sometimes in life we are in places that are not necessarily healthy for us. We surround ourselves with people that doesn't know how to deal with your energy, and sometimes we ourselves meet people of different backgrounds. Not that that's wrong, but yeah, protect yourself. Take note of intuitive messages. Choose your path. Oh my god. Snake, shield the old skin. Yeah. Enjoy growth and reap rewards. Alright, so what is the angels trying to say here? They are saying choose your path. There is one path with the lion, one path with the Taurus. None of them is wrong, but one path is your calling. One path is your highest calling, your higher self calling you to trust your intuitive powers and step into your divine purpose. If you are aware that there is a fifth dimension happening all around the world, and there is a third dimension happening all around the world, who are you in this awakening time? Are you gonna sit on the sideline and just watch everything collapse, or are you gonna stand up for what you believe in? Are you gonna be one that knows wrong over right, or are you gonna be one that just surround yourself with everything and everyone? Shed your old skin. Hilarion, be seen, let the world know your gifts. Hilarion is telling you that you have gifts that you know will empower those around you. You have gifts that will empower you. Because when you embrace your gifts, you share them with the world, and the world sees you in a way of ease. They see you as someone that never gave up. They see you bigger than your scarcities, because you are creating dreams with using your talents as a tool to grow. Here we got Bridget. Let your passion lead you to your purpose. Talking about talents, what is your passion? What lights you up? That's what's gonna lead you. And of course, look fair in the eyes. Tell the fair that it can't beat me. Because you are sacred. You have the sacred sword. Do not be afraid. Stand up for your beliefs. Cut the cords to dramas, fears and limitations. And of course, the healing light. Wellness unfolding. Know that healing is a journey. I love tarot. I love my oracles. Woo. 5 coming out, 5 of swords, symbolic of change. 9 of cups, symbolic of endings and new beginnings. Oi! 5 of coins, another symbol of change and sadness. 6 of coins, giving and receiving. Oh. 8 of cups, 1 more. King of coins. Alright. That's all for now. Thank you there.